Have you ever wondered if something as simple as a drop of oil could help break down stubborn cysts? Most people never think of essential oils as a serious tool for women's health, but the truth is, they can be surprisingly powerful. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 essential oils that research and tradition point to as helpers for shrinking cysts and supporting hormonal balance. And trust me, you're probably not expecting some of the oils on this list. If you're dealing with PCOS, endometriosis, or recurring ovarian cysts, this will open your eyes to new, natural ways of support. We'll break down each oil, why it works, and how you can use it safely in your daily routine. You'll walk away with 5 practical, science-backed tools that support your body's natural healing. Before we dive in, welcome to this channel where we focus on hormone-supportive, science-based solutions for women's health. If you're ready to feel more in control of your health, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos. Because here, you'll always find practical strategies you can use right away. This isn't about vague wellness tips, it's about real ingredients, real mechanisms, and real hope. So grab a notebook, because these essential oils may become part of your new routine. Ready? Let's get into the first oil on our list. 1. Castor oil. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for cysts and inflammation. Its main active compound, ricinoleic acid, penetrates deep into tissues and stimulates circulation. By boosting blood flow, castor oil helps the body's detox pathways work more efficiently. This is especially important for ovarian cysts, which can form when hormones and toxins build up. One common method is the castor oil pack, where a cloth soaked in castor oil is placed on the lower abdomen. The warmth from a heating pad allows the oil to penetrate and encourage lymphatic drainage. This gentle pressure supports the body's natural ability to break down excess tissue. Science shows ricinoleic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce swelling and pain. Women with PCOS often experience pelvic discomfort, and castor oil packs provide soothing relief. It also helps soften tissue, which may make cysts less dense over time. Unlike harsh medications, this works with your body rather than forcing quick changes. To try it, soak a clean flannel cloth with castor oil, place it on your lower abdomen, cover it with plastic wrap, and add a heating pad on top. Leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes, 3 to 4 times per week. Avoid using it during your period or if you are trying to conceive that cycle. Castor oil also supports the liver, which plays a key role in breaking down excess estrogen. When estrogen is high, cysts are more likely to form. By supporting detox, castor oil indirectly helps rebalance hormones. Many women report feeling lighter and less bloated after a few weeks of use. It is important to always use cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. This ensures purity and maximum effect. Over time, this simple routine can be one of the most powerful tools for natural cyst management. And the best part? It's inexpensive and easy to find. Transitioning now, let's move into an essential oil that is much more aromatic, but equally effective. 2. Frankincense oil. Frankincense oil is often called liquid gold in women's health. It contains compounds like boswellic acids, which are strong anti-inflammatory agents. This makes frankincense ideal for reducing the swelling that often accompanies cysts. It also has the ability to regulate cellular growth. That means it may help prevent abnormal tissue from forming in the first place. For women with PCOS, this is particularly important. Hormonal imbalance can trigger irregular tissue development. Frankincense oil works to bring balance back at the cellular level. To use it, add 2 to 3 drops of pure frankincense essential oil to a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba. Massage gently over the lower abdomen once daily. The skin absorbs the active compounds, delivering them directly into circulation. You can also diffuse it for stress relief, since stress hormones worsen cyst formation. Research shows frankincense lowers cortisol, which helps restore hormonal balance. When cortisol is high, estrogen and progesterone are disrupted. By calming the stress response, frankincense supports healthy ovulation cycles. It also boosts immunity, helping the body clear out waste more effectively. Women who use it often notice improved digestion, another key detox pathway. Better digestion means excess hormones exit the body rather than recycling. Frankincense also improves circulation, which supports oxygen delivery to pelvic organs. This makes healing more efficient. Regular use can help reduce pain from cysts, especially deep pelvic aches. It smells grounding and calming, which makes daily use easy to stick with. Consistency is key with essential oils, slow and steady benefits build over weeks. Always choose therapeutic-grade frankincense for best results. And remember, a little goes a long way. With this oil supporting your cellular health, you're building strong foundations. Now, let's move to an oil that many women overlook, but should not: clary sage. 3. Clary sage oil. Clary sage is one of the most hormone-supportive essential oils available. It contains natural phytoestrogens, which mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. For women with PCOS, estrogen levels can swing wildly. Clary sage helps stabilize these fluctuations. It also supports healthy progesterone levels, which keep estrogen in balance. By harmonizing these two hormones, clary sage reduces the chances of cyst formation. It's also a powerful relaxant, helping smooth muscle spasms in the uterus and ovaries. This makes it excellent for easing menstrual cramps linked to cysts. To use it, add 2 to 3 drops to a teaspoon of carrier oil. Massage gently over the lower abdomen or inner thighs. You can also diffuse it to promote hormonal calmness. Its aroma has been shown to lower cortisol, just like frankincense. That means less stress-induced hormone chaos. Clary sage also improves circulation in the reproductive organs. This ensures that nutrients and oxygen reach the tissues that need repair. It has natural detoxifying effects, helping clear stagnant fluids that feed cysts. Many women report shorter, less painful periods after regular use. It also enhances mood, reducing the depression and anxiety linked to hormonal imbalance. Science supports its ability to lower blood pressure and promote relaxation. This further helps the body balance hormones naturally. Clary sage pairs well with castor oil packs for a powerful routine. Just a few weeks of consistent use can bring noticeable relief. It's important to avoid it during pregnancy, but otherwise it's safe with moderation. This oil is a hidden gem for natural hormone support. When combined with other oils, its effects multiply. Now, let's turn to an oil that fights cysts through its detox power: lemon oil. 4. Lemon oil. Lemon oil is famous for its cleansing and detoxifying power. It contains high levels of limonene, a compound that supports liver function. The liver is your body's main hormone filter. When it works efficiently, excess estrogen is broken down and removed. This directly reduces the risk of estrogen-driven cysts. Lemon oil also stimulates lymphatic drainage, helping clear waste from tissues. This keeps the pelvic area from becoming congested. A congested lymph system often leads to swelling and discomfort. To use lemon oil safely, add 2 drops to a large glass of water, only if it's certified food grade. Otherwise, stick to diffusing or diluting it in a carrier oil for abdominal massage. Drinking lemon water with the oil helps flush toxins daily. It also boosts digestion, ensuring hormones are eliminated rather than reabsorbed. Lemon oil is also a natural anti-inflammatory, easing discomfort around cysts. Its fresh scent provides an uplifting mood boost, reducing stress. When stress is low, hormones stay balanced more easily. Regular use supports clearer skin, another benefit for women with PCOS. This is because liver detox helps reduce androgen excess, which drives acne. Lemon oil's vitamin C content also strengthens connective tissue. This makes it useful for repairing inflamed ovarian tissue. Its antibacterial properties keep infections at bay. And because it's energizing, it helps combat fatigue linked to hormonal imbalance. Women who use lemon oil often feel lighter and more refreshed. This supports consistency in natural cyst healing routines. Always dilute lemon oil before applying it to skin, as it can cause sensitivity. And avoid sun exposure after topical use, since it increases photosensitivity. When used correctly, lemon oil becomes a powerful ally in breaking down cysts. Now, let's finish strong with one of the most soothing oils, lavender. 5. Lavender oil. Lavender oil is well known for its calming effects, but its benefits go much deeper. It reduces stress hormones like cortisol, which directly disrupt female hormones. By lowering cortisol, lavender allows estrogen and progesterone to rebalance. This reduces the hormonal chaos that fuels cyst growth. Lavender also improves sleep quality, which is critical for hormone regulation. When you sleep well, your body repairs tissues and detoxifies naturally. Women with PCOS often suffer from poor sleep, making cysts harder to manage. Lavender oil addresses this root cause. It also reduces inflammation in reproductive tissues. Studies show it decreases oxidative stress, which contributes to cyst formation. Lavender improves circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the ovaries. This promotes natural healing and breakdown of excess tissue. To use it, add a few drops to a diffuser before bed. You can also dilute it in a carrier oil and massage into the abdomen. Its soothing aroma immediately relaxes tense muscles. This makes it helpful for painful cramps linked to ovarian cysts. Lavender also boosts mood, reducing anxiety and depression linked to hormone imbalance. This emotional support is just as important as the physical effects. It also promotes healthy blood sugar balance, which is vital for PCOS management. When blood sugar is stable, hormone balance is easier to maintain. Lavender is one of the safest essential oils, making it great for daily use. It pairs well with other oils like clary sage and frankincense for enhanced benefits. Women who use lavender often notice lighter, more regular cycles. They also feel calmer and more supported emotionally. This holistic effect makes lavender a cornerstone for natural cyst management. As we wrap up, let's pull all of these oils together in a quick recap. We've just explored 5 essential oils that may support your body in gently breaking down cysts, easing inflammation, and creating a more balanced internal environment. What's powerful about these oils is that they're not just random remedies, they each work through specific properties that can reduce hormonal chaos, calm your system, and help restore harmony. The goal here is never a quick fix, but rather long-term support for your body's natural healing processes. Each essential oil, whether used in a diffuser, diluted on the skin, or added to a warm compress, can play a unique role in making your journey with PCOS or cysts a little lighter. Think of them as nature's way of offering support, subtle but steady. I know that dealing with cysts can feel overwhelming, sometimes even isolating. That's why small, consistent steps like introducing the right essential oils can make a real difference. It's not about doing everything at once, but about layering gentle tools that add up over time. And as you've seen, the oils we discussed today aren't the common go-tos people often mention, they're powerful, but often overlooked. That's the beauty of diving deeper into women's health solutions, you discover what really works beyond surface-level advice. I encourage you to try 1 or 2 of these oils, pay attention to how your body responds, and build from there. Healing is always personal, and your journey deserves patience and care. If this video gave you new insights, please give it a like, it really helps more women discover these resources. And don't forget to subscribe if you'd love more practical, science-backed women's health solutions every week. I also want to hear from you. Have you tried essential oils before? Which one do you feel drawn to from this list? Drop a comment below. I always love learning from your experiences. Your voice matters here, and your story could inspire someone else on the same journey. Remember, you don't have to walk this path alone, there's a whole community of women here seeking natural ways to heal. If you know someone who's struggling with cysts, share this video with them, it could be the support they've been searching for. Together, we can create spaces of healing, hope, and resilience. The small steps you take today can lead to big changes tomorrow. So, keep going, keep learning, and keep believing in your body's wisdom. Thank you for spending this time with me, it means more than you know. Stay kind to yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. And before you go, make sure to check out my other videos listed below. I've created them with the same care to help you find more natural, practical ways to support your hormones and overall well-being.